Riesengroß! Tatsächlich war mein Jahr 2024 eine halbe Katastrophe und ein halber Traum. So nichts aus, aber so nichts Halbes, nichts Ganzes will man nicht. Also meine Hoffnungen sind riesig fürs Jahr 2025.
Ich möchte auf jeden Fall gesund bleiben. Ich möchte weniger arbeiten und noch mehr Yoga machen, weil mir gerade mein Rücken wehtut.
Und was so die Weltlage angeht, haben Sie da Hoffnung und Wünsche?
Ja, ein bisschen mehr Frieden. Das wäre schön. Ich kann dazu nicht sehr viel beitragen, aber ich würde ruhiger schlafen.
Ja, die Wünsche dieses Jahr sind Frieden, ganz wichtig. Und was ganz Tolles für Deutschland, ein Neuanfang. Das wäre ganz wichtig. Nicht so schlimm wie letztes Jahr.
A global world. That's what I want. We are very global citizens. We live in Brazil, we live in the United States, we have parents in Europe, in Belgium, and we want to have a global world. We don't want to have individual countries. We want to have a global world. That's our wish. And a lot of love.
Wonderful.
Muito amor. Em português, muito amor in un mundo global. Auf Deutsch, viele Liebe und eine globale Welt. Auf Französisch, en français, beaucoup d'amour, amour et un monde global.
Eu liguei pro meu irmão e ele tava vendo pela televisão. Tipo assim, não tem nem comparação, não tem comparação. A emoção, ela é outra, a energia, ela é outra. Tipo assim, vale muito, muito, muito a pena.
Copacabana é o metro quadrado mais democrático do Rio de Janeiro. O melhor Réveillon do mundo.
me gustó el tema de los fuegos artificiales. Hermoso, la primera vez que los vemos, la primera vez que venimos, pero es recomendable para venir, para volver. Hermoso, hermoso todo.
Espectacular, excelente. Me pasé muy bien acá con la gente, los tragos, caipirinha, playa, todo muy bonito todo.
the Thai government has announced that next year will be Amazing Thailand Grand Tourism and Sports Year 2025. So we try to merge sports and tourism together. As you know, we try to bring more world-class event into Thailand. we need private sector to lead. We as the governor and or the government try to support every aspect as we can. Icon Siam has to do their role into try to make Bangkok as the center of the countdown city.
Icon Siam has been Thailand's national countdown celebration location in the past 5 years. This year especially, we have 1.5 kilometer fireworks along the river, which actually has been designed by the global award winner, the Japanese, and also the Thai artists. Together, we collaborate to make this eco-friendly fireworks. This year, Lisa, who is the iconic artist, and she's globally admired, and also she's Thai. So she chooses to celebrate the new year with us, to give the happiness and also endorse that Thailand is going to be the best countdown destination in the whole world.
It's obviously a pretty stand-up point being on the riverfront and all the lights here, big concert down bottom. It's real cool to see.
We are one of the top best countdown destination in the world. In this Icon Siam, I think at least 500,000, and also Thais around the whole country, as well as at least 30 million people who can watch the live show and also news televised through international media, can step into the new year with us and look back and fall in love with Thailand more than ever.
Compared to all the Asian countries, it is the best amongst like India and Malaysia and Singapore, I think. So yeah, it is cool to be part of like a huge countdown show.
What's your Millie? What's your Millie? Who is Millie? Okay. Oh, this is Millie. Okay.
I know in my heart it's not the game, puzzles like divided with cold.
We're looking at places and things to do on New Year's Eve, and we just can't choose. Like, it looks so good that you just can't go wrong. So it seems awesome.
We're going to have a big firework along Chapaya River and a lot of entertainment in this evening.
love with the culture, with the people, the smiling faces, how sabai everything is over here.
It's the end of the year, let's go on a holiday. I made 2 PowerPoints, one for Thailand, one for Bali, and we kind of just like lots of things to do, and then we ended up coming here because it looks cooler.
So the atmosphere in Icon is amazing. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds really fun. There's lots of people around. It's like an excited, positive atmosphere.
It was a saying that if you have been to Bangkok, you must visit the river. Otherwise, you've never been to Bangkok at all.
Just calm down, enjoy. What happened will happen. It's good.